the fuck, man?
Did you hear those rocks hitting the propeller?
Yes. It almost went up in the air, too. Sounds like something's wrong with it, too. Yeah. Did you see it going up in the air like that?
Yeah.
See, look at it right there. Oh, the propeller's loose. See?
Oh, there they go.
Yeah, fucking propeller. I suppose it hit the ground and oh, look at.
Chipped the shit out of it.
Okay, that's a lesson right there. No taking off from fucking gravel. That's it. Well, better not forget that. Let's go. Next time we come out here, I hope I didn't bend that shaft. It looks like I did.
It looks like it, yeah. Looks pretty bent from here.
Well, they're supposed to be offset. The motor is offset, so. Because this is a brushless motor. Let's go.
We're gonna have to come out here with a shovel and smooth this shit out.
It lost us by hand. At least I know now that with